Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Fortnite unable to log into Fortnite servers. Please try again later. Let's fix it guys. First you just need to close the Fortnite. If it is running, then you just need to right click on it and select end task. After that just to close stuff here. Now you just need to open up Epic Games. Click on the profile icon, select settings, and it asks for any update process. Then you just need to update it guys in here. After that scroll down, expand the Fortnite, check mark additional command line arguments, and now you just need to check my video description for this command used. Just to copy and paste it. After that just go back and just close stuff here. Now you just need to go to search menu and type internet option. Click on open it. Select the connections tab and select the LAN settings. You just need to check mark automatically detect settings, and you just need to uncheck this use a proxy server for your LAN. After that select OK option. Select OK, and now go to search menu and type view network connections. Click on open it. Right click on where internet connection you are using. In my case I am using Ethernet. Select disable option. Now after the few seconds just right click on it and select enable option. And now you can launch the Fortnite and you can play the game without having any problem guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.